Alright, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will be showing you how to get Fortnite on mobile. So, this is for Android, and you want to open the Google Play Store. I already had it Googled, but you want to type in GeForce. I'm going to slow typer on this. GeForce Now. It's going to be NVIDIA, whatever you want to say. GeForce Now. This is what it is. Make sure it is by NVIDIA, in case there's a scammy type thing. So, open that. I'm already loaded into it. But you gotta sign in, make an account. Sign in or make an account, if you already have it. I'm already signed in, but that should take you about 10 minutes. So what you want to do from when you load in is you want to click search. And you want to type in Fortnite. Click enter. Wait for 19 hours, literally. Okay. You want to click it. Now, I recommend you scroll down and it says where it says remove library for me. You want to click add library. And then click play. You don't have to click add library. That's just to make it so you don't have to search for it every time. Now, it does say, looking for next available rig. Estimated wait time, 19 minutes. It does not take 19 minutes on mobile unless you have a really bad device and internet. If you're on like a Chromebook or PC, which it does work for, by the way, it can take all the way up to an hour. It took me my whole day at school, which is 6 hours, to even get 10 minutes playtime. If you bought the Founders Pack, which makes you not have to wait for the wait time, you can only play for 6 hours straight, then you have to load back in. No flippin' idea why. If it's a free version, you can only play for an hour, and if you're already in a match, you get kicked out. So if you play an arena, I don't recommend you play it when there's 10 minutes left. I seriously don't. Unless you restart your rig, then you're fine. So, it takes upwards to 5 minutes normally on mobile for me. And I'm sorry, I filmed this 4 times. I'm gonna skip until I'm disconnected. Okay, it literally took 3 minutes total. Like, as you can tell on the top right hand corner of my screen, if you can see. I did log out of mine so I can show you guys this. So when you're at this spot, this is when you're logged into your thing. Logging in. You will have this stupid crap where does this stupid Windows like click and click. Now the screen will show up like without this Epic Games thing. Just this black part on the edge, which I'm clicking out where my mouse is. Okay, I'm over my garage. Someone just pulled into my house. That's it. So, you will just have to wait for that. So, I'm going to sign in with Epic Games. You sign in with whatever you want. You will have to click this thingy in the top. You should be able to see it's moving. You're going to have to click keyboard. Then you're going to have to sign in. Okay, once you're signed in, I am recording, yes I am. You just gotta wait for the Epic Game Launcher to go away, and then it should load you in to Fortnite. Now this is the screen I was talking about, you just gotta wait. Don't click anything like the Epic Game Launcher, or else you could just quit your session and have to wait all over again. Or sign back in. Wait for that to load. Ooh, chile. Woo. I just realized since I signed out, I'm gonna have to put in all my controls back. Oh yeah, that's something I forgot to say. You will have to put in all your controls. I'm gonna really quickly switch over to the controller. Which, if you didn't know, open that tab thingy. Instead of clicking keyboard, click the game controller. You have all this. You know, when you press the Joy-Cons, that will be L3 and R3 for this one. LB and You can play Save the World and Creative, by the way. RT and LT are not all both in the same place. I don't know why I said that like that. Are kind of weird. Plus LB, because their inside is LB and RB. The B's and T's are both together on each other's sides. So, if you want to use like the triple lines button, you just click this button, which should be blinking. Oops. And then for map, you want to just click the other side. Turn off controller, click the controller, open it back up. Click this. Use this, click that. I recommend you use full screen, whatever resolution you like. For 3D resolution, I recommend you have it down to 70 for a good frame rate. Turn these down all to off or low if you want optimal frame rate. No idea what any of these advanced graphics are, so not going to worry about that. This is just your normal things, like your settings. Keyboard and mouse if you have a Bluetooth keyboard. That's your sense, that's your keybinds. That's your sensitivity and stuff for controller. And these are your binds. It does look like my stuff did save. I'd like to say quick shout out to whoever the hell made this. What is that? Literally, what is that? I'm so confused. So, don't want Builder Pro. I want that. And then I want to just, no, don't reset. Apply, click B. And then you can just ready up. I'm going to go in creative because everything else is completely fine. You can do everything normal with just this. And I'm just going to click. Link my controller, and my controller should be working once I load in. By the way, if you want to link your controller, you will have to do Bluetooth. So the only other thing that's kind of funky is when you're in here and enter a code, because nothing shows up. So what you want to do is I'm going to use these buttons. You want to click X, then you want to turn off the controller, and then click the keyboard. And you will have to kind of see through it and go to your numbers and go like that. Do some weird island. Pretty sure this is an island, so yeah. Brenda's Build Nights, and then exit out. You just click that, open your controller. Click X, and that's how you load in at islands. Or if you have islands favorited or recent islands, you can just select those. And don't want to go in there. Building's kind of funky. There's input delay, but custom binds kind of. If you have that, you kind of want to have a Bluetooth controller. That's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be quick. Okay, I thought I logged out. I forgot this is just a thing that randomly happens. Sound audio is great. You can, if you have data on your phone, you can do that. Input delay does block you from doing actually cool things. I'm going to move my device so I can have a better sight of it instead of being in my lap. Get comfy. And I am actually better than this. I'm better at this when I'm on my Xbox because of input delay. But if you're participating in like a live event, turn all your graphics up to max. Screw your FPS. Set it at 30. I don't care. I mean 60. That you do get those random lags if your internet's doo-doo like mine. But besides that, you can do everything you normally can. That was on purpose, by the way. And that's kind of it for the video. Let me just really quickly get a thumbnail. That was not intended. Okay, let's get the thumbnail. Okay, there's my thumbnail. So that was going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. And hope you have some fun playing Fortnite. Oh, and if you're on Xbox friends and PlayStation friends, they don't show up. It's only your Epic. And that's all for this video. See you next one.